Hi guys, this is Samuel from Automation Academy, and I want to take you through one of our training rings. Over here we have an electro-pneumatic ring, and then it's being controlled by this rig here. This is an iWell PLC, and ideally we have a power supply that powers the PLC, and then it also powers this cloud box and then the HMI over here. This cloud box over here, it gives access to people from various locations. For example, if I have someone in Ibadan, then someone from another state, a completely different state, will be able to upload and download to this PLC and be able to also monitor the SCADA system on this PLC via this cloud box without any wired connection or any, does not have to be close by. And then over here we have the pneumatic rig. On this rig we have various types of cylinders, various types of pneumatic cylinders. We have the big cylinders, we have the small cylinders, we have the double acting cylinders, and then we also have the single acting cylinders. Also, we have sensors to monitor the position of each cylinder. So after each stroke, whether forward or backward stroke, we know where each cylinders are. And then we have sensors at different positions. This is one here. Then we have another sensor here just to monitor the position of each of all these pneumatic cylinders. And then we also have the actuators. This gives air passage. These actuators, they give air passage for the strokes of the cylinders. And then over here we have our program. So this is our program that is written on the PLC. And then we are currently monitoring it to see how every sequence is going, how everything is working. And then we have a belief that if one can be able to program a system this complex with all the sensors and all the actuators included, we believe he or she can be someone who is very, very skillful in the automation engineering sector. Because also, we have a belief that if one can be able to program this kind of complex system with the sensors, with the actuators, with the cylinders, monitoring every stroke, we believe that he or she will be able to program larger systems and then be able to work with various kind of logics. So this is basically what we have on this particular pneumatic rig.